everybody! Today we are going to be making Betty Crocker's famous chocolate chip cookies. So, let's get started! In a stand-up mixer, mix together 2 cups of white sugar, 2 cups of brown sugar, 4 sticks or 2 cups of butter, and 4 eggs. Now add 6 cups of flour, 2 cups at a time, mixing between each addition. Now add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Alrighty, for our last ingredient, we're going to be adding 1 12-ounce package of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now roll your dough into balls and put them on a baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes. After they come out of the oven, let them cool for 10 minutes before enjoying.